Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to turn on and how to turn off screen time reminders for our Digital Wellbeing app in Realme 14x phone. So first we need to go to our phone's settings. Next we need to scroll to the Digital Wellbeing and Parental control menu. Next we need to scroll down and here we have screen time reminders. So we can open this option here and we have the switch at the top. So right now our screen time reminders are on and now they are off. And here we have apps that can use this function. These are pretty much every application that is installed on this phone. So we can pick and choose whatever we want from here, and as you can see our menu will change. So these apps are now excluded from screen time reminders. And that's basically it.